as is evident, you can't step out of your home unless you have a great pair of shoes on. And obviously your shoes complement what you're wearing, and they have to be appropriate to the style and the kind of outfit that you pick. And shoes actually really complete an outfit. And also very often they say that it's the shoes that say a lot about your real style statement. So I think shoes are really important to complete your style statement.
So what would be your ideal date pair? What would be your ideal date pair?
It honestly depends on what I choose to wear, but because I like to dress more sort of effortlessly and more casually, I would pick a pair of really delicate flats.
So safe to say that you're more of a flats person than heels?
Absolutely.
Okay. So this season is all about florals, colors, and a lot to play with in fashion. Tell us about your perfect summer look.
I think what you said. I love floral stuff. I love soft, pretty colors. I love flowers. I love wreaths. I love floral prints, and I love fabrics that breathe. And I actually also like, shoes that sometimes have a print, a floral print. Again, pretty summer colors. I see some really pretty colors over there, like pale pinks, nudes. I think those are like timeless colors and they look really pretty. And in summer, they really complement the kind of colors and fabrics that you would choose.
So any tips to all the girls, all the women over here about style and about pairing their shoes with them, kind of clothes to wear, the shoes they wear for summer?
I think, when it comes to style, like you can buy fashion, but you can't buy style. Style is very inherent. And I think to be stylish, if you're a little more relaxed about it and a little more effortless about it, and you actually let yourself be, you will automatically be stylish. And I personally feel that real style comes out when you shine through your clothes, because your clothes don't make you stylish, you make your clothes stylish. So it's much better when, even if you pick up something from the flea market, you put it together with a great pair of shoes, or whatever it is that you feel like wearing, which is weather appropriate, occasion appropriate, and you have fun wearing it, you are going to be stylish. And I think most importantly, the most stylish thing is you yourself and your personality and a really happy and confident smile, and that's what matters the most.
Thank you so much. I'm sure all of you are really excited to have her here and you're dying to ask her your questions. So we'll start with that.
So Mrs. Anchor, we have to first unveil it again for the electronic media because we haven't got it yet. Yeah, correct. Perfect.
Chacha, go.
Done. Done. Quick bites. Janta one. Bite. It's me here. No, man. So you want to be trendy or be comfortable in summer?
I want to be comfortable and just automatically also be trendy, obviously. Not trendy, but I want to I like style. I like to be stylish. I like beautiful clothes. I like beautiful shoes. I'm a regular girl. All girls like to look pretty all the time. So I also like to look pretty even when I'm going to sleep.
We have always seen you, whether it's a red carpet, whether it's an award function or whether it's a party, you've been always dressed very well. There's no doubt in it. You want to be fashionable or be stylish?
Like I said, I think you can buy fashion. Like you can buy really expensive things and you can buy fashion. But style is something that's inherent, and you can be stylish even with stuff you've picked up from the flea market. So I think style is something that goes a longer way. Yeah.
Are you fond of shoes or are you fond
of course, I love shoes, I love jewelry, I love clothes, I love bags.
You're spoiling the frame.
So sad, so mean. So yeah, I like shoes, bags, clothes, jewelry. I like it all. It's fun.
Who doesn't? Like, I feel sorry for guys. They have nothing to play with. We can dress up. It's fun.
Okay, Aditi, जब भी आप shopping के लिए निकलती हैं,
One by one.
ask.
Go ahead.
As you said, that shoes tell them different personal style of the man. So, what do you think? Different shoes. What kind of personalities do you think shoes describe? Different shoes.
Abhi, I haven't given this much thought to what shoes say what about which person. But yeah, there are different, like, shoes are occasion and outfit appropriate. So yeah, there are certain shoes, there are certain kinds of outfits you have to wear heels with. There are certain outfits that you can get away with wearing flats. I prefer those. But no, for example, for a red carpet appearance, it would be more natural to wear heels. Whereas for if you're going for a music festival, you're not going to run around in heels. You'll wear flats or you'll wear boots or something more comfortable. So it really depends on what you're dressing up for, what the occasion is, and what you're wearing. So.
But I think you need to come to Nine West and to shop around and be the best.
I think Nine West is one of those brands that's associated with comfort, with style, with it is a sort of youth-friendly brand, and there is a lot of choice here in terms of design, and they're also really comfortable shoes. I'm wearing their shoes at the moment, and I can vouch for that.
But
They're
personally,
really
apart
comfortable.
you, one Bollywood actor and one Bollywood actress, you personally prefer being stylish and
From the actresses, I find there are a couple. I think Deepika is very stylish. I think Kangana is very stylish. Sonam, of course, is very stylish. She is synonymous with style. With actors, I think Imran. Imran is impeccably dressed always, and he knows his style very well. I think Farhan is very stylish, and I think I'll stop.
We're also eagerly waiting for you to take a press conference soon. So when are we gonna see the video saying that you'll be launching the movie soon?
I've worked really hard in 2014 and I've worked on 5 films. They will be coming out soon, but I don't want to make any announcements about the dates because then there'll be confusion. So let the people who should announce the dates, let them announce.
अदिति, अगर फिल्मों की बात करें तो अभी महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने एक डिसीजन लिया है कि मल्टीप्लेक्स में जो है 6 से 9 के टाइम में मराठी फिल्म को प्ले किया जाएगा, तो उसके लिए आपका क्या रिएक्शन है?
उसके बारे में एक्चुअली मैं अभी कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहूँगी क्योंकि ये जो आजकल हो रहा है, we are becoming more of a totalitarian state and country. So there are too many things that are being imposed on us. So at the moment I don't want to say anything about it. I think the people concerned, when these rules actually get passed, I'm sure there'll be enough people who will say whatever they need to say about it. Today I don't want to talk about something like this because I'm here to launch a new collection and I don't want to get into a political discussion today.
आपके wardrobe में सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ें हमें क्या देखने मिलेंगी? Shoes, dresses, क्या मिलेंगी?
Oh, my wardrobe. That's a tough question. I don't know why any girl's wardrobe is going to be full. Actually, as a girl, I feel that there are so many things that one can wear, whether it's like, I love Indian stuff as well. I think but the biggest pile you'll see in my wardrobe is probably of shorts and like regular home t-shirts. That's the biggest pile. But like apart from that, there's lots of other stuff as well.
But in Mumbai, beef has already been banned, but there's people saying that the mutton is going to get banned. So what is your reaction?
I really don't want to give any of these statements any kind of importance by even commenting on it because
अच्छा अदिति, फिल्म मेकिंग और एक्टिंग की बात हो रही है तो आपसे एक सवाल जानना चाहूँगा कि हाल ही में शशि कपूर साहब को भी दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड से नवाजा गया, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप उनके बारे में?
Oh my God, I think that he is just incredible and what he did for Indian cinema was also incredible. In his time, उन्होंने थिएटर को इतना बढ़ावा दिया, उनकी वजह से उनकी और जेनिफर कैंडल कपूर के वजह से we have Prithvi Theatre today. And because of Prithvi, there are so many people from all over this country, from the city, from all over India. We throng to Prithvi. The festival there is so incredible. So I think that what he's done for theatre, apart from film, has been incredible. And I mean, we all, anyway, are in awe of him because ek to he has the most beautiful smile ever, and he's just such a gracious and such a wonderful person, so good looking. And he was one of the first actors from India who did films abroad, and who did that whole series of films with what do they Merchant Ivory. Yeah, so I think he was a complete pioneer, and he's very awe-inspiring, and he's really amazing and so truly respect-worthy. Yeah.
Thank you. Hi.